OnePlus 7 release date, price, news and rumors. The OnePlus 7 release date is expected in the next few weeks, and due to all of the rumors, we know so much about this phone and the OnePlus 7 Pro already. New OnePlus 7 leaks point to at least two phones that will compete with the best smartphones, especially the best Android smartphones, with a gaming-ready silky smooth screen that has a 90Hz refresh rate. OnePlus has even told us one core feature about its next handset: the OnePlus 7 will be one of the first phones to support 5G. But it may not arrive on its own, with rumors pointing to a OnePlus 7 Pro as well as the standard OnePlus 7. Update: OnePlus 7 will have a super smooth screen, according to its CEO, which hints at the 90Hz refresh rate. The phone may also come with a gradient color scheme. Below you'll find everything that we've heard so far, and we'll be sure to add any leaks and rumors on the OnePlus 7 to this page when we hear them. What we've learned about the OnePlus 7 from the OnePlus 5G prototype. Cut to the chase. What OnePlus 7 it? The next numbered phone from OnePlus. When OnePlus 7 it out? Leaks point to a May 14th. What will OnePlus 7 cost? Probably at least $549, £499, 599 Australian dollars. OnePlus 7 release date and price. The OnePlus 7 will probably land sometime in the middle of 2019. The OnePlus 6 was announced on May 16, 2018, so a OnePlus 7 launched out of May 2019 is a possibility. That fits nicely with the OnePlus 7 launch date leak, which pegs the device's arrival for May 14th. That's a date that we've now heard more than once, even if the OnePlus 5 and OnePlus 3 arrived in June of their respective years.